Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our today's video, tungkol po sa ating Rewind segment and awit awards pa. Subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Abutin ng 500 subscribers. Kahit init na yun. I-support natin sa ating social media account. This latest vlog, 272, episode 272, entitled, It's Rewind Time! Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Una natin sa Dancing! Watch this! Ayan, ito na, sisimulan na natin. Kahapon ang ginanap ng ating grand finale or grand finals na Rewind the Comeback Stage featuring 6 dance groups na reunion sa ating EB stage for their grand finalist dance numbers. Bago yan, mayroong opening number like awit awardee approved entries, best performances via new solo artist nomination approved at Tasha Mulang as Michael Jackson, Carrie Aistra as Christina Aguilera, Riza Mendizon as Dr. Jones, Aqua member na si Lainey, and of course, Lorenzo Campo as Gloria Estefan. Plus, Spice Girls pa by Singing Queens and Jose Manalo as Vanilla Ice. Okay, for our group number 1 goes is Octo Maneuvers. Sa nilang Sweet Soul Review, Mala Macarena, at iba pa mga songs. Para Street Fighter yung mix. Ang second group is Knapsacks, then Biker Dancers for the 80s style number. While Abstract Dancers na medyo okay naman sa Dr. Jones sa fourth group. While the fifth group goes to Street Boys na Friends by Stella Gaze and Lick It by 20 Fingers. Yeah! Featuring, Lick It, featuring Roland. And of course, ex-people na feel like dance na, at may ex na si Estano. For top 3 for me is, top 3 Street Boys, Abstract, and, my God, Octo Maneuvers. Ang champion this year goes to Street Boys, pinamunahan ni Danilo Barrios and iba pa mga members. At syempre may video grades from Spencer Reyes. Punta kayo sa Pilipinas next time November! Ang reunion concert ng Street Boys sa amin ni Spencer Reyes. Kung makikita ulit si Icy Guerra at Spencer Reyes pagdating na November. Malaman natin yan sa November. But for now, congrats! Street Boys! We love you! And na para sa ating kung sino Idol PH Season 2 para sa pasok sa ating approved edges na awit awards. Watch this! Ayan, eto na. Sino kaya pasok? We have Dre Sugay for Best Alternative Recording para sa Iyong Mga Mata. Congrats. Misha De Leon para sa Dandami, Best R&B Recording. Yeah. Also, Best R&B Recording din ang Hagi. Equibillion para sa Best Dance Electronic Recording. Congrats. Yeah. Congrats to Misha De Leon sa Laguna Government to congrats Misha De Leon. Si Misha kasi is from Laguna. Kaya na-celebrate na last year ng 18th birthday. Nisha hindi. Trisha din. Si Andre for Bakit Ba Bumitaw for Best Performance by a Solo Artist pero hindi sa New Solo Artist. Sayang naman. Pero congrats. While Brian Chong, aside from Best Performances by a Solo Artist para sa Pag-isa, also Best Alternative Recording. Congrats! And Kimo Gumantay para sa Nasunog for Best Ballad Recording and Best Music Video of the Year. While Happy Andy para sa Best R&B Record. And also, the Best Christmas Recording para sa Pasko, ang pinakamagandang kwento and biyaya ng Pasko. Kasi malapit na Pasko, 2 months to go, 4 months na, 2 months na lang, 4 months na. Kaya, and 2 months na lang, birthday ni Kimo Gumantay, turning 25 years old this year. Happy birthday and advance. Ang September wala. Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating Dennis. Good luck sa'yo, Kimo Gumantay. We love you. See you next vlog for more of excitement. Bye. God bless.